Hello, everyone. It's Dave. Today, I am working in collaboration with Susie Stuff and Theresa B DIY, and we are going to be creating different looks that are winter themed using the same style of Wreath Form. My materials list today includes 2 packages of these really soft cotton balls. I picked up a pair of tiny gloves at the Dollar Tree along with this scarf, and I just love the colors of this scarf. And it is so soft too. I'm going to be using my glue gun and glue sticks. And today, all three of us are going to be using this green styrofoam wreath form. And that's all you'll need. All three of us are going to be using the same wreath form. So this one is the wreath form from the Dollar Tree. It's 24 centimeters or 9.8 inches. And it's a really nice form. It's nice and sturdy. So all three of us are going to be using this to show you different looks. How I'm going to do mine today is with a ton of these cotton balls. I just love how soft they are, how wintry they look. So all I'm really doing with this is I'm taking a whole bunch of glue and I'm just applying it down in a small section to begin with. And then I'm going to take those cotton balls and quickly before that glue dries is place them on the wreath form. And then I'm going to be working at the sides as well. And what I wanted to do was to have the wreath actually lay flat and me apply like a row at the bottom there, such that when I hang the wreath, it's going to hang flat against the door. So I do that on the outside, and then I do that on the inside, as you see right here as well. I mean, if you want to cover the entire wreath form, you are more than welcome to do so. That's totally your choice. I just decided to cover the front of both of my wreaths. And then as I get that done, I just start filling it in and filling it in and filling it in. In total, I used 200, almost 200, I should say. I didn't use the full pack. I used almost 200 of the cotton balls. There was 2 packages. Each package had 200 of them there. So that's how many I used, if you're curious. And what I wanted to do was just randomly place these. The outside ones obviously are a little bit more in line. But then the inside ones, I didn't follow a line or a pattern. I just threw a whole bunch of glue down and away I went. So here I'm just finishing it off. I'm just filling it in. And I have my last couple to put in. And I'm just going to kind of tidy it up by squishing it in a little bit. And as I do that, I kind of notice and I look around as well to see if I can see any green or open spaces. And then what I do is with the leftover cotton balls, I just fill in the space. I actually love how this turned out. And I mean, really, you don't have to add anything to it. You can hang a nice ribbon on it or just hang it from the door, buy the ribbon. I mean, it's so awesome how this turned out. I was just so happy with it. And before we get on to the finishing touches, I would like to talk a little bit about the people I'm collaborating with today. A couple of my DIY YouTube friends. The first one is Theresa B DIY. Go check out her channel. The link is below in the description box. She does amazing DIYs and she's killer at making signs. And we also have a fellow DIYer who is on YouTube as well, Susie Stuff. Again, totally check out her link down below. Hit that subscribe button. You will want to see what she creates every single week. What she does is always puts a smile on my face. Let me put it that way. Go check out both of them. Subscribe to their channels. Watch what they do. They are just unbelievably amazing, talented women. So for my scarf, all I really wanted to do was put a little bow in it. So nice and simple. There's no cutting, there's no sewing, there's nothing. I just tied a very simple bow together, placed it at the bottom, and I just did finishing touches on it as well, just to kind of see how it's going to lay out, make sure it's nice and even. And I wanted to keep the really long tails of the scarf as well. I didn't want to chop them off. I wanted there to be a little bit of drama. So all I'm doing is I'm gluing that down here. I'll hold it into place, and whammo, my first winter wreath theme is done. Or should I say my first winter-themed wreath? I think I had that backwards, I think. But here it is in all its glory, and I just love how it turned out. And for my second one, all I did was is I attached, by using my glue gun, these two mittens right at the center at the bottom. Nice and simple. And of course, while I was filming this, I thought, oh, maybe I'll just put some more of the cotton balls on top. And I'm like, yeah, no, that's just too much, going too far. Keep it nice and simple. And I just really, really loved how this turned out. Both of them just put a smile on my face. So there's my 2 winter-themed wreaths to keep you nice and warm during the winter weather. I really hope you enjoyed our collaboration today. And don't forget, check out the links of my friend Soozie and my friend Theresa as well. Leave comments, like the videos, subscribe to all 3 of us. Thank you so much for watching. I always have such a great time here on my channel. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.